Hi friend, today we'll create a calculation view and it is with a input parameter. Okay, so today we'll have demonstrate a calculation view how to create a calculation view with input parameter. So we'll go to open our old calculation view which is we have already created. Okay, so this is a calculation view we have already created, and now I'll implement some input parameter over here. Okay, so before that I just would like to do a small modification over here. So I just would like to add a new projection, and this new projection I would like to add new table t zt product description. Okay, and I'll add all of them, and then I'd like to add a join, and this join will be left out of join as I've created. But the difference between the old view and new and the 003 and 001 is a dimension, and this is a cube, so we have a price, and also having the language is not required. I just product valid from and valid to, and obviously this will be not in a chain, it will be a left out a chain, so that anything product which doesn't have a description will come over here. Just renaming this product. So yeah, so see description. It's done. Join is rem. The join description join, and then just aggregation layer. Here we have add all of them, and then just things and to a auto and so see all of them are already implemented. Now I'm just creating an activation, so it will be activated and it will give you the result. So first of all, I'm just creating this view. So see the data is coming. Now I'll do a filter under subcategory. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just create a input parameter or variable, both you can create. So you go to this fourth tab, parameter variable, and just right click. First you create a variable, and this variable I'll function attribute. So the variable can be is this can be it can be created from anywhere of them. So it will be a particular attribute. So it's nothing but a product category attribute, and we do not have a default value. Let's have a default value. So it's a constant, and default value is uppercase equal, and it is I'm keeping as a 17. Okay, and apply the variable to. No, currently I'm not applying the variable anywhere, and it's a multiple entries or single entry, so I'm selecting as a single value and multiple entries. Okay, so it may be multiple value, it may be individual, it may be range. There is a different option for this creation. Single values will take only one value. Individual interval is take a interval of values. Range is taking as a range, so it's maybe 5 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 15. So this is called range. Interval means a particular interval, like in between 3 to 5, in between 5 to 8. This is called interval, and also we have in a single value, which is a particular single value. If I click it as a mandatory, so it will not run without this variable. So let's keep it as mandatory and we activate on these things. So I'm just activating these things. That is activated. If I'm running this now we ask for a variable. See, it's a 17 as default value is coming. I'm just like to select from a value help. So it will pick from value help. So I'm selecting 15. Is 15. See, I'm clicking on OK. So it's executed. Now say if I go, all the subcategories having 15 value will come over here, right? Now again I'm running these things. So I'm just refreshing these things. Now let's execute for 17. See, all the categories name 7 is coming over here. Now let's do one thing. Let's, if I not giving any value, let's see how does it work. We have it. Okay, click on OK. See, it's giving error because it's a mandatory part, right? So it is giving an error. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll close this close this, and I'll remove this mandatory part. So see, I'm just removing this mandatory part, and now again I'm going to activate. It's activated. If I'm running these things, by default 17 is coming, but if I remove this 17, it will be working as a blank. See, it's executed, and see, having all the data is there. You can see, right? All the data over there. If I put a filter on 17, you can see only one data is there. If I filter 69 and click on execute, see how many data is, so many data is there. The same if I'm running over here, if I'm change it to 69, so it is 69, so it will be giving all those data. So this is all about your input variable. In the next session, we will understand how to create input parameter. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.